Looking for an oil filter that delivers steady, high flow rates while keeping your engine safe? The KandN oil filter is designed precisely for that. It ensures a consistent flow of oil, which means your engine stays lubricated and runs smoothly, even under demanding conditions. What really sets this filter apart is its synthetic blend filtration media. It captures most harmful contaminants before they can reach your engine, protecting vital components from wear and tear. This isn't just a filter, it's a safeguard for your engine's longevity. KandN doesn't just claim quality, they prove it. Each filter undergoes rigorous laboratory testing to guarantee excellent capacity and burst strength. This means you get a product that won't fail when you need it most, providing peace of mind on every drive. Another big plus? This filter works seamlessly with all types of motor oils, synthetic, conventional, or blends. So, no matter what oil you prefer, the KandN filter has you covered. It's a versatile choice that fits into your existing maintenance routine without hassle. When it's time to change your oil, you'll appreciate the fast and easy wrench-off removal feature. No more struggling to get the filter off. This design makes maintenance quicker and less frustrating. Plus, the heavy-duty canister construction ensures durability, so the filter holds up under pressure. One user from the United States summed it up well: KandN filters perform as well as any other top brand they've tried. While this internal filter doesn't have the nut welded on for easy removal like some external models, it's still simple to handle and doesn't compromise on quality. If you want reliable engine protection paired with straightforward maintenance, the KandN oil filter is worth a look. It comes backed by a 1-year limited warranty, underscoring the confidence KandN has in their product. Try it when you're ready to give your engine the dependable care it deserves.